Samsung Galaxy A54 versus Galaxy S23, which smartphone to buy in 2023. Find out how Samsung's best budget phone stacks up against its flagship offering in 2023. The Samsung Galaxy A54 5G is a great mid-range phone. It offers a sleek design, a beautiful 120Hz display, plenty of power under the hood, and a triple camera setup on the back. Pros: reliable day-to-day performance, long-lasting battery. Cons: macro sensor is average at best, no charger in the box. The regular Galaxy S23 is a great option if you're in the market for a smaller smartphone, thanks to its 6.1-inch display. But despite the size, it's not lacking any features that the larger S23 Plus has. It has a 120Hz AMOLED display, a 50-megapixel camera, and more. Pros: compact form factor, beautiful display. Cons: no charger in the box. Base variant comes with UFS 3.1 storage. Samsung Galaxy A54 versus Galaxy S23. Which is right for you? All things considered, it's safe to say that the Galaxy S23 is the best phone overall in this particular comparison. You're paying a premium for the Galaxy S23, but the expensive price tag also gets you superior hardware with better and more durable build materials and powerful internals. The Galaxy S23 comes with a newer Gorilla Glass Victus 2, and you also get an IP68 rating as opposed to IP67 on the Galaxy A54 5G. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset powering the Galaxy S23 can also output better raw performance, with which it can handle pretty much any task you throw at it with ease. Lastly, you also get a better set of optics on the Galaxy S23, and you can comfortably rely on those sensors to churn out great photos. The Galaxy S23 is one of the best premium compact flagships you can buy on the market, and it's also an easy pick in this comparison if your budget allows for it. The Galaxy A54 5G falls a bit short going against a flagship, but it's still a solid phone for those who don't mind giving up on some premium features in exchange for a cheaper price tag. Samsung has made a lot of improvements this time around to make the Galaxy A54 5G stand out from the rest in its price range. Not only does it look and feels like a flagship phone, but it also has other traits of a flagship, including a great 120Hz OLED display, reliable One UI software with all the latest features, and also Samsung's excellent software support that makes it better than most other mid-range phones on the market. It's hard to go wrong with the Galaxy A54 5G in the budget space, so it stands as one of the best alternatives to the Galaxy S23 if you are working with a relatively small budget. What do you think? Which one is better? Galaxy A54 or Galaxy S23? That concludes today's update. I hope you found the information useful. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to hear your thoughts on this topic, so please leave your comments in the section below. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.